What the hell? Here we go. Guacamole unboxing. Here is my address. Jesus. It's not a good sign. Open it. Yeah, it's like Shango 066. Look at that. Okay. I'm showing my address. Fucking hell, what is this? It's like wood. Oh my god. Oh, polystyrene. Oh dear. Quickly to bin. So let's see what inside. So this is my next Christmas. Of course we have green. Oh my god, yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Some crack. Oh yeah, from delivery. Here it is. Every radio model C from 1945. Battery radio. Yep. Let's have a look to detail. Crikey. So let's look to detail. To dial. Oh, is that? Oh, it's moving. Dial. Some will be turn on, turn off. Oh yes, it's bent. Oh yeah, look at the dial. Wow. It's pretty nice. It's like skin. Here we got some scratch. It's supposed to be from delivery. So let's have a look to inside. So let's look to detail. It's open. Ah, this is broken. Backside is broken. That's not good. It's from delivery. Oh yeah. So here is antenna. I don't know, is the camera. Let's see. So wire is antenna mounted. And here is main chassis. Oh my god. So look at that. Mini tubes, that's good. Is no Loctite. This is the mini tubes. SC. That's really good. So let's have a look. What do we got? which is tubes. DF91. Of course, original radio, every ready. All original. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pin tubes, mini tubes. So DF91. So it's good visible. And this one. DAF9. DAF9. Look at how it's small. It's like wood rubbish. DAF91. Nope. No, I can't bring back. Yep. This one. DL92. 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 Origin, every ready. It's supposed to be marked. Make it. Oh, that will be horrible for clean. It's good. I cost 20 pounds. Here will be trouble. The whole chassis out. Maybe. DK91. DK91. Now will be problem. Bring back tube back in to radio. Careful, here is coil. Oscillator coil. Okay. Here it is. Here is service manual. So I see is the normal super heterodyne radio. Here is outputs, tubes, detector. It's two-stage radio. Here is tuning capacitor. There is for oscillator. How you see? That's what I said on the video. And here is for tuning of the radio. Here is antenna on the back cover. And here is socket for LT, mean low voltage, 1.5 volts for heater, and HT mean high voltage, 90 volts. All voltage is DC, that's connector on the wires, 4 pins. Yeah, this is Loctal service manual. I have mini tubes. Yeah, here is the chassis, here is equipment for fixing. Yeah, that's good. That is Model C, every ready Model C from 1945. Yep. This is battery powered radio. How say portable radio. Yep. So let's go back to video. For detail, look at the chassis. Speaker Goodman. Industry. Here is tuning capacitor. It's good properly. The coil, that's why tube I bring here. I don't need the broken coil. Wow. Cabinet is a little bit good, but yeah, something eating. Look at the hose. That's good condition. Of course, on the coil. 1944. Oh, paper capacitors, okay. Speakers with permanent magnet, that's good. Output transformer. Yeah. Look at the back. Oh. Wow. This is all plastic. All plastic. All is from plastic. This is all plastic. All from plastic. That's nice. Wow, look at the dial. Yep, that's detail. Yeah, so tube I keep inside, inner. Because here is coil. I don't need broken coil. So I will. That's my future project. It's all plastic. This is 40 years, it's plastic. Wow, it's like aircraft cockpit. Oh, where's the parts? Keep inside, all them. Get in. Keep in. Yeah. Yep. So that's it. Every radio, Model C.